Hey, how is it going? And welcome to our super healthy kitchen. So today we'll cook one traditional Ukrainian dish. Actually, it's super simple. It's a beetroot salad. Basically, more healthy to eat the beetroot raw. So basically, you can add it to different yourself, whatever you eat. But we will boil it. We will make it in traditional Ukrainian style. After we finish boil it, we'll cut the skin off, peel off. And then we just put it in the shredder, or you can cut in small pieces. That's it. Then we'll add a little bit of oil. You can add some garlic and maybe some seeds. Yep. Okay. So if it's a big beetroot, it might take 40 minutes. Depend how old it is. So I think it's quite small size, so it's like about 20 minutes for cooked. So boil 5-10 minutes at least. So let's wait a bit and we'll go on the process soon. Okay, we're checking the beetroot, how to know it's ready or not. Just try with a knife. If it's cooked, it will be soft. If not, it will be hard. So that's it.